guys, gawa tayo ng banana cake. Ayan guys, na-mash ko na. Ayan, maglalagay ako ng asukal. Sugar, 3/4. 2 egg. 3/4 oil. Ayan guys, na-mix ko na. 1/3 milk. Vanilla. 3 tablespoons of yogurt. 1 and 1 half flour and 1 tablespoon baking powder. Ayan guys, mimix ko. Ayan guys, ilalagay ko na yung banana mass.